Hey there, what's up? Hope you're doing really good today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quick reset, or also known as a soft reset or restart, reboot your LG Stylo 5. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now. So the reason you may want to do this is maybe your phone is freezing up, it's not acting properly, maybe you're stuck on an app and the touch stopped working, it's not doing anything. So in this situation, you may want to do what's called a soft reset, which is just quickly resetting your phone, turning it off, turning it back on, so that your phone can unfreeze and you can continue using it. So let's go ahead and do that now. For example, let's say you're stuck here on this app and you can't really get out or do anything. So to perform the quick reset on the LG Stylo 5, what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold volume down and the power button. And you're going to press them for a couple seconds, probably 5 to 10 seconds, until you see that your phone powers off. Once you see it powered off, you can let go and it will reboot normally. All right, let's go ahead and do that now. So let's say it froze here. We're going to press volume down and the power button. Continue to hold them both. You might get this message that shows up here on the screen, but just continue to hold it until you see that your phone blacks out. Once it does, let go and the phone will reboot. And then it will restart normally and unfrozen so that you can continue using the LG Stylo 5. And there you go. The phone has booted on. So it should be unfrozen now and you can continue using it normally again. So that was just a quick video helping you soft reset your LG Stylo 5. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like. It really helps me out. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace.